Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really cute folders, and this is part of our 1-minute tutorial segment. So here's what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and cut yourself a piece of cardstock. Okay, once you have the cardstock, then you're going to bend a straight edge. After you bend the straight edge, you're going to fold it completely in half. Alright, now so you don't get that wonkiness in the middle, you're going to take the scissors and you're going to cut that. Alright, then you're going to take something that's flat to where you can kind of just roll it across there to give it that crease a little bit better. Okay, and then there's your folder. Now if you want holes in your folder like this, then all you need to do is get yourself a 1/16 hole punch, create a template so that all of them are exactly the same, okay, and fold it over it and then punch it out. Of course, this one was for the paper, but I'm going to go ahead and use it anyway. Alright, so take them a 1/16. Make sure you go in the same hole if you got multiple holes on yours. Okay, and then there you have the holes. And the holes can fit inside the binder. Alright, now if you want to see how to make this tutorial, go ahead and watch the next one, because that's what this is going to be all about. The paper can slide in and out. The pages actually turn. And then your folder can go right in there. And then you can put your paper in and out. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. And don't forget to follow Dollhouse Miniature Madness and tutorials for more DIY. And we have lots and lots of stuff coming up. We're going to be doing a 1-minute segment, which are things that you can make in less than a minute. Lots and lots of things coming. So like and subscribe, leave a question, suggestion, or comment below, and we will see you next time. Thanks a lot, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.